Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your deal machine account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you permanently delete or remove a lead or a contact from your deal machine account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently delete a lead from your contact list in deal machine anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a wholesale business, you know that sometimes these folks will call you back or even mail you back asking to be removed from your list, or sometimes they return nasty messages, so it's better just to go ahead and remove them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your deal machine account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my deal machine and this is home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to permanently delete one of your contacts or your leads, up here on the top, you're going to click on leads. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of your leads inside deal machine. However, in order to delete or remove a contact, you're going to go ahead and just scroll through until you find the address. If you have a huge set of leads, you want to go ahead and click here on the search bar and then just type in the address. Once you found the lead that you would like to remove from your contact list, go ahead and just check the box next to it. Once you check that box, you're going to see this button here light up called lead actions. Go ahead and click on there. Once you click there, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to see this button here, permanently delete leads. Okay, next you're going to get this pop-up asking if you are sure you want to permanently delete this contact or lead from your deal machine account. It is permanent. They do suggest that you go ahead and just place it in the trash, and that way it's not going to be in your mailing list or your calling list. However, if you're sure you want to go ahead and permanently delete, go ahead and click on the confirmation red button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that lead has been permanently deleted from my lead list in deal machine. Now, like they said, you can go ahead and just place the lead in the trash to avoid being sent any other mailers or on your dialer list if you prefer to do that. That way it stays inside your lead list. And how you do that is here on the lead status, just click on the current lead status arrow right here. Once you do that, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click in trash. Okay, once you do that, it's going to be dispositioned as in trash. That way it's not going to show up on your mailer list or calling list. But again, if they asked you to be taken off the list, sometimes it's better just to go ahead and permanently delete them. That way you don't accidentally contact them in the future. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently delete one of your leads or your contacts in deal machine, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.